Can an AI-augmented chatbot facilitate semantic data modeling? We have been exploring a solution that addresses this question. Let's take a tour of this new innovative project by SEMIC. But first, what is semantic data modeling? Semantic data modeling is about defining concepts such as classes, properties, relations, and code lists that make up a data model. Data models are all around us. For example, public administrations use them to communicate with citizens by describing their catalog of services with names, descriptions, contact points, and rules. When working with data models, professionals always look for existing solutions first. There is no point in reinventing the wheel. Unfortunately, finding that exact concept that suits your needs can be like finding a needle in a haystack, consuming a large amount of time and discouraging some ontologists or semantic modelers from applying this best practice. In other cases, data modelers must work with new elements, but coming up with definitions or lists of values with correct terminology out of thin air is not easy. Other various challenges may arise along the way. For example, determining whether two elements are twins, have the same meaning, or are actually just lookalikes with subtle differences. To answer these challenges, SEMIC developed a chatbot trained in a development environment to answer semantic modelers' questions and therefore accelerate their work. For example, as part of a project, a modeler may often need to add new elements, like classes or relationships, to an existing model, but may not know where to start. That's where the SEMIC chatbot can support them. From the chatbot interface, they can easily upload their model into the tool and start chatting with it. The chatbot can answer questions about existing classes, relations, or properties in the model, helping them understand what is currently described. But most importantly, it can help them brainstorm on what could be added. For example, if a modeler is working on a vocabulary describing the attributes and related concepts of a person, after brainstorming with the chatbot, they may want to add a class to describe a person's medical history. The chatbot not only helps them brainstorm on what class to add, but also screens through a library of models to suggest existing concepts. And it doesn't stop there. Once the modeler has decided on a new element, the chatbot can transform it into JSON-LD or directly integrate it into the initial model. The tool can also be used to visualize the updated model through the interface. Once happy with the modifications made to their model, the data modeler can export it in the same format as the uploaded one. This allows them to seamlessly use it in their preferred editor. The chatbot is powered by the same model as the now famous ChatGPT. However, to make this tool a true modeling expert, the SEMIC team had to give it additional knowledge that is specific to data modeling. This technique is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. This means that when a user asks a question, the chatbot searches the knowledge base that was provided and selects the information that is most suitable as an answer, in addition to the general training information the chatbot already has. In total, 7 sources were added to the knowledge base, including existing models such as CPSV-AP, legislation like the Open Data Directive, and technical documentation such as RDF files from linked open vocabularies and schema.org. However, as illustrated in the examples, the model has been extended with functionalities specific to data modelers. These capabilities include the ability to interact with and visualize data models provided by the user. This new tool is still in an early stage. The SEMIC team plans to expand the knowledge base and add features such as the generation of an entire data model based on a set of requirements. This means the chatbot would be able to create models with definitions, classes, and properties, which could then be visualized in diagrams and exported in human or machine-readable formats, making it a valuable data modeling assistant. SEMIC will continue to investigate how AI can facilitate interoperability in the future and improve the lives of data professionals, policy officers, and public administrations across Europe. Get in touch if you are interested in the development of the chatbot or other AI for interoperability initiatives. Thanks for watching.